Gone.
Yeah. Salat. Fridge, washer, and what's this?
Dishwasher?
Dishwasher and all the microwaves.
Yep.
Maybe still got there next time though.
What do you have more?
Yeah.
The next time?
Yeah, next time. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Take it out. We get for him.
Yeah, this one first.
Get this one first, he said.
This one. Here's the dolly.
Perfect, thank you.
Yep.
Cleanup time.
Yeah, clean up time. Summertime though, that's why.
Summertime, yeah.
Giveaway na yung lahat. Ganyan dito sa Canada. Tatapon na. Okay, thank you. Thank you, bro. Ito pa sa sunod. Tatapon ko rin ito siguro.
If you have more, keep here. We come back up. We're just going to drop it off.
Lunchtime though, that's why. Maybe next time I'm gonna put it here.
Leave it there for me and I'll take
Yeah.
it.
But not today, okay? Next time.
Yes.
Clean up tayo ng mga appliances na luma. Kasi lilipat na kami dito siguro by next month o by June. Kaya linis muna kami. Okay. Yun na yung mga appliances namin. Itapon na namin lahat. Mga luma naman na yun. Right? Yun. Marami pong itatapon dito. Okay, mga electronics pa na yun. Tapos ayusin pa mga mattress. Oh. Dati kasing nagpapaupahan dito. Tapon na rin itong mga ito. Dami na. Accumulate na rito yung mga lumang gamit. Ito naman kaya. Tapon ko na rin siguro ito. Okay. Salamat.